I feel like we're forgetting something.
Sweetie, we're going camping. Essentials only, okay?
She's really enjoying the book I gave her.
You probably should have read it first.
Nah, I was born for the outdoors. What you learning about in your book?
A lot, actually. Mostly what poison ivy looks like.
I think I already feel like getting itchy. Is that bad?
I thought you said you were born for the outdoors.
Oh, she got you there.
And should you be touching his boots? Here you go. It's essential. I wouldn't go camping without it.